Amber, ikaw na naman yung may kasalanan. Good morning. Good morning.
It's raining.
It's raining. May school kami. Pupunta kami ng school. Dahil today is Friday, no uniform, right?
Redress day.
Yeah, redress day.
But it's heavy raining now.
It's heavy raining. Oh my God. What?
Ah! Seriously, get the umbrella now.
That's it. Ayan.
I don't know if we're gonna get there quickly.
So ganito sila, oh, 'di ba? Kahit may ulan, naglalakad kami. Oh my God. The school don't have notice, you don't have a... Oh my God. Really? Still have a school? Oh. What? You want I carry you? Come over here. Ah? Your shoes is okay?
Yeah?
I carry you in my back.
No,
No need?
I'm fine.
Okay. Oh my God. My bagyo. Oh no. Are you okay? Huh? Oh no. Hey, hey, hey. Don't stir the water. Umati. The umbrella is trying to fly home. Hold it, hold it. Hold it. Okay, we're almost there. Oh no. Ayan, ang lakas ng ulan. You gonna say, ang lakas ng ulan.
I'm not.
Ng ulan. Ng
I'm ready, Philippines. Okay? I'm
Oh,
bad at it. Okay?
yeah. Say hi. Good morning, rainy morning.
Hi. Good morning in a rainy morning.
Oh, ganito kami kasi pag umuulan, bumabagyo, hanggat walang notice yung school, pumapasok kami. Oh, we can hit the... What? Oh, see?
At least the plants need water.
Oh, yeah. The plants need the water. So the plants is happy.
Yeah.
Oh.
So I can grow more.
Oh.
Remember?
Yeah. Okay, hold up, hold up. Yeah, like that. What? What? Oh my God. Oh, tingnan nyo, malakas yung hangin.
How long is this video?
Oh.
How long is this video?
What?
How long is this video?
Well, until when arrive there.
Okay, fine.
I upload in YouTube, okay?
Okay, fine.
Alright, so that's what. Oh, I upload in YouTube. What? What? Oh, our umbrella is quite big.
This is a problem to take school umbrellas.
Yeah. Oh, don't fly. Yeah. Okay, help me to hold. Alright. I thought you don't have a football today, really? What? What do
I
you
don't
think?
know if.
Yeah. But if the raining is stopped, so not later, what? Maybe later stop. Maybe you have it, then I pick up you at school, okay? If no, just only I pick up you there. What? Oh, tingnan nyo, ang lakas ng bagsak ng ulan. Oh, lakas ng bagsak ng ulan. Yan. Sabihin mo, ang lakas ng ulan.
Our umbrella's soaking.
Okay, okay, okay. What? Oh, oh my God. The dog is take a shower.
It's not. It's not real.
Not rain.
Yeah.
Oh,
At least the tree also need water.
okay. We came here. Oh my God, we are survived. Okay, come over there. Okay, go. Be careful, don't run. Oh, look the kid. She enjoying playing the rain. Oh. Tuwang-tuwa siya. Okay, come on. Yeah. And do you have umbrella in your bag, right? You.
Oh my God.
It's okay. I give you a tissue later. Don't wipe it so later. Move first. Yeah, be careful, but don't go to the raining. Yeah. Nabasa na yung pants ko. Okay, later, okay? Or you can wipe little bit in your jacket. Oh, enough. Just your hand. Enough. Nabasa na yung ano niya. Enough la. I give you a tissue later. Come on. Then there. Okay. Come over here. You can move first. Yan no, lakas ng ulan. Pero yung school, walang abiso na may pasok ba o wala. Wala namang nakalagay na warning kasi doon sa building kung ano. Kung may bagyo ba o wala, anong signal. Baka ulan lang to, dadaan lang. Kasi nung tumawag kasi ako sa Pinas nung nakaraan ulan So baka dumadaan lang ito dito. Ha?
Here it's raining again.
Oh, raining again. Okay, the light is blinking, so we're gonna wait here. Okay.
Just get the umbrella ready.
Yeah, later because
No, get
no later.
mine.
No rain here. Then someone is what that?
What? Oh, the woman
We have a lot of rain. Are you okay? Huh? Are you okay? Or you don't like to go to school?
No, I'm okay.
Huh?
I'm okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, okay, let's go. Okay, hold to me. Okay. Don't try it. Oh, the water is so... Okay, get me. What are you looking at? Okay, come over here. Okay. Aya. Okay, go there. Kiki, try to take a look. What are you looking at? Come here. Be careful. Why the school not give a email no school today? Oh.
Because it's free dress day.
Oh.
Remember?
Yeah. Be careful, hold those nails. Okay, hold. Yeah, like that. Because the floor is slippery. Oh my God. May mga tinapay. Okay. Yeah. Okay. We are going to cross the road. Came this side. Grabe, basa na yung sapatos ko. Tingnan niyo naman oh, yung tubig.
Auntie Rana,
Yeah?
remember when we were crossing the street over there?
Yeah?
I think I might saw my friend.
Oh, really? Jump, jump.
Then I'm going
Jump.
to jump there.
Ah, so that's why.
Yeah, that's why I looked there.
Okay, jump. Don't step the water. See, nagbaha na yung ano, basang-basa na yung sapatos ko. Oh my God. Ah. Kiki, don't run. Okay, came over here. Can you hold? Kiki, hold it. Lumilipad na yung payong ko. Oh! Lakas ng ulan.